Ever wonder why some people drain your energy, crush your dreams, and make life harder than it should be? The truth is, certain types of people are toxic, and if you're not careful, they will ruin your life without you even realizing it. Today, we're exposing 12 types of people you must avoid at all costs, because they will hold you back, mess with your mind, and steal your success. Stay till the end because number 10 is the most dangerous of them all. Here is the question. Have you ever had to cut someone off because they were toxic? What happened? Let's know in the comments below. Jim Rohn once said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." Now, I know you are eager to hear the 12 people who will ruin your life. Let's dive into it. 1. The Dream Crushers. These are the people who laugh at your ambitions, tell you to be realistic, and make you doubt yourself. They're often bitter because they never chased their dreams. Small diamond solution. Ignore their negativity and surround yourself with goal-getters. 2. The Energy Vampires. These people drain you mentally, emotionally, and even physically. They constantly complain, seek attention, or bring drama into your life. Solution. Protect your energy. Limit interactions with them or cut them off. 3. The Fake Supporters. They pretend to be happy for you but secretly hope you fail. They give backhanded compliments and undermine your efforts. Solution. Watch actions, not words. Real friends genuinely celebrate your success. 4. The Manipulators. These people use guilt, lies, and pressure to control you. They make you feel like you owe them something or that you're the bad guy. Solution. Set clear boundaries and don't let them guilt trip you. 5. The Gossipers. If someone gossips to you, they will gossip about you. They spread rumors, stir drama, and thrive on negativity. Solution. Don't engage. Distance yourself. Trustworthy people don't spread secrets. 6. The Envious Haters. These people can't stand to see you do better than them. They compare themselves to you and try to bring you down. Solution. Keep moving forward. Let your success speak for itself. 7. The Excuse Makers. These people always have an excuse for why they can't change their lives. They will infect you with their laziness and hold you back. Solution. Surround yourself with action takers, not excuse makers. The Time Wasters. These are people who have no direction and want you to waste time with them. They don't respect your goals and distract you from what matters. Small diamond solution. Protect your time. Say no to unnecessary distractions. 9. The always right, know-it-alls. They never admit they're wrong and always think they're the smartest in the room. They reject new ideas and make you feel dumb for questioning them. Solution. Avoid arguing with them. Let them be wrong in peace. 10. The Victim Mentality People. Everything is always someone else's fault. They blame the world, the system, and everyone but themselves. Solution. Don't get sucked into their negativity. Focus on solutions, not excuses. 11. The Users. These people only come around when they need something. They never support you, but expect favors. Solution. Cut them off. Real friendships are mutual. 12. The Negative Nancys. These people always find something wrong in every situation. They suck the joy out of life and make you doubt your own happiness. Small diamond solution. Keep your distance. Surround yourself with positive energy. If you recognize any of these people in your life, it's time to make a change. Your future depends on who you let into your life. Choose wisely, or these people will hold you back. Which one of these toxic types have you encountered the most? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. And remember, not everyone deserves a place in your life.